Hello everyone and welcome back to Mason Jar Garage. We're back today. We went to South Carolina yesterday. Today's Labor Day. We picked up a bunch of parts yesterday. I put up a short about it. Unfortunately, the doors we got are for the wrong vehicle. So I was going to be making another trip back there anyway, so we're going to take those back and maybe find a different set. But today I'm going to be hitting the interior with some rust reformer, all the floor pans, and try to get the ceiling and all that good stuff. This isn't going to be, I'm not going to spend a ton of time out here today because I'm still healing from a broken foot, and it's not doing so great after yesterday's trip. So probably just be a quick one today of spraying this down. I don't know if this will make it in its own video or maybe tag on to the end of the other video that I made a couple of days ago where we were working on the engine bay and the door. So let's get to it. Here are the results after just a real quick spray down. Yeah, there's still plenty of spots I have to come back and get, like this back wall. We're still wet, and the floor pan over there from where I pressure washed and it stormed. But just like that, everything that's here now is sealed up at least. So, past this, I'll be putting down some, well, I'll be fixing the floor pans, number one. Some right there, bad rot right there, and that floor brace. I'll be spraying it down with some paintable undercoat. The paintable stuff is actually supposed to dry, unlike the, I guess, rubberized, non-paintable stuff, which is good for just trapping moisture. But put down some undercoat, put down some sound deadening material, and then carpet on top of that, obviously, when we get to that point. And this should be sealed up nicely. Should end up with some nice insulation that way against sound and temp. Still have to get the underside of the roof here. Finish pulling out these cross supports for the headliner. And if you look right there, there's the hole in the trunk floor, or one of them. Alright, thanks for coming along.
Mason jars on dusty shelves and to save us now. Neon lights flicker hard, shadows dance aloud. Rusty tools on memories, we share the scars. In this garage we raise hell, fixing cars.